Hi everybody, so in 3 or 4 minutes I will talk a little bit about one of the most important types of the verbs that we have within the German sentence. So we will talk a little bit about the Trennbare Verben in German language, or the so-called separable verbs in German language. So the talk will be about three main verbs today: einpacken, auspacken und umpacken. Let's get started with the first one, einpacken, as you can see here. To wrap up or to put it in, for example, if you buy something, you wrap up in a package, for example, einpacken. Okay, we will explain it through through an example. So before we can do that, so we try to present the conjugation of the verb in present. So as you can see here, that this verb must be separated with within the German sentence. Ich packe ein, du packst ein, er packt ein, and so on and so on. Let's talk a little bit about the meaning of the verb. So einpacken means that that, as I have mentioned, to wrap up or to put it inside, as you can see here. Let's have a look at the following example. Er packt ein Geschenk ein means he wrap up a gift or a present in a package, for example, einpacken. As you can see here, that we have divided this verb into two parts, packt und ein. Let's start with the second one. The second one is auspacken. I repeat, auspacken means that you take something out, or to unpack something from a box, for example, to take it out from box, and so on and so on, as you can see here. Let's have a look at the conjugation of this verb in present. So as you can see here, that the prefix aus is put at the very end of the sentence, as you can see here. Is separate. That's why we call it separable verbs. Let's have a look at the following example or following picture in order to understand it more. So as you can see here, that we separated the verb within this verb, within this sentence. As you can see here, ich packe ein Produkt aus means I put it out from the box. I put it out from the box, as you can see here. Let's start with the third one, on the last one, umpacken. Umpacken means that's to unpack or to change it from one place to another, from one box to another, from one package to another, and so on and so on. And the conjugation of this verb will be done as the following example, as you can see here. Ich packe As you can see here, that the prefix is put at the very end of the sentence. So if you change something from one place to another, let's have a look at the following example. Ich packe ein Produkt means I take it from one place to another, as you can see here in this picture. So umpacken means that you repack something from one place to another, from one box to another, from one bag to another, and so on and so on. Thank you.